Hello, everyone. Mr. Havel here. I'm going to go over how you fill out the high school authorization form for WNC. Okay. So first off, open up one of your browsers. I don't know what I've got here, Edge or something. But one thing you might want to start with, they don't allow us to do this, but you may want to go in and go into your history here and just clear, again, they don't let us, but clear your browser history. Especially if the next few steps don't work for you, okay? So just go type in wnc.edu. At the top here, student services, highlight or scroll over the top of this and then go down to the bottom here, forms and downloads. Feel free to pause this video at any time if you need to catch up, okay? Now we're going to scroll down to, it's all in alphabetical, so scroll down to the high school authorization form. Click on that. Click on the actual link here. Nice. So we should have our form here. So you're going to put your last name, type in your last name here. Whoop. Having a hard time with my name. Okay, do your first name. WNC, I don't have one, but this should be your, if you have one, plug it in. So this would be your NSHE number, the NSHE number that maybe you got from UNR, TMCC, any of those would be exactly the same. So if you have it, so a lot of them start with like 9. I'm just making up one right now. Okay, so you plug that in. Your email address, do your personal email, okay, something that you're going to check, okay. We can go ahead and skip the social security, you don't need to do that. Now date of birth, the big thing is if you use this, make sure to change the year, okay, so make sure you're not born in 2024. Here I would put mine in 0213. I'm right around 21 years old, so what would that be? 2003. Okay, good. Nice. High school, it says do the entire thing, so we'll do Damani Ranch High School. Perfect. Anticipated graduation date, if you are currently a junior and you're going to be a senior next year, go ahead and put 6/25. Okay. If you are a sophomore, going to be a junior, you would still do 6, but maybe do that 6/2026. What we're going to request for the fall of 2024. And then choose on the grade level here, choose which one you're going to be next year. Okay, so what you're going to be next year. So if you are planning on taking Math 126, 127, the trig with pre-calc, a lot of you will be juniors, some of you will be seniors, so whatever you're going to be next year, okay? Go ahead and click standard enrollment. And so standard enrollment here is going to be the choice we're going to choose here. We might have money for scholarships, but it might not cover everyone, okay? Cool. And then here it says list specific classes that you plan on taking. So if you're planning on taking, I'll put a few options here. You're not going to put all of these, but if you plan on taking calculus next year, you're going to put math 98 and math 181. Okay. If you are planning on taking math 126 and then 127, right now we'll just do math 126. Okay, or you could have stats 152. Okay, so fill out whichever one. You might have multiple. So if you're taking calculus and stats, do both sets of those. Okay, so in that case you would do 3 different things. You do math 98, math 181, and stats 152. And then you can do 126, anything like that, okay? This is a question that you have to answer yourself. Do you qualify for free and reduced lunch? Okay, so click on that. whichever one. And then here we're going to go through, make sure to read these, and then you're going to end up clicking all of these. Okay, we're going to sign our document. Okay, so sign there. Okay, apply signature. Actually sign your actual name. Click the box. Okay, and then since you are working with your parents right now, have your parent fill this out, click the same boxes you did. Okay, parent's last name, put their last name the way that it would look like on their driver's license. Mr. Havel's mom. Okay, so the way that it would look on their driver's license. Click and have them sign their name. Okay, and then finally click this final box, and then you're going to want to submit the form. Okay, submit the form. You keep the email. Make sure that this email that you plugged in here is something that you check and you have access to. Make sure to not delete the form that they have. Okay, so you'll end up clicking submit form here. It'll say thank you for filling it out, and you should be good from there. Thanks a lot.